Kyosho Mad Van VE. This is the brushless edition and it's my first time driving it. We're going to be testing it on 2S first and then 3S and see how fast this thing can actually be. Here we go, first run, 2S. Sounds a bit weird. I hope everything's alright. This is my first time driving this car. Here we go, Noah. Oh, it's all over the place. How much?
51.
51. Thank you. Alright. It's basically a shoebox on wheels, so I'm not expecting it to be super quick. Here we go, Noah. Oi! How much?
53.
53 that time. Oof, don't roll it, Vass. 53, thank you very much. Here we go, third and final pass. Man, this thing needs a gyro or something. It's all over the place. Maybe I just need better driving. Here we go. Ease that power in. Whoa. 52. Oh, that's all she's going to do. Now, this isn't meant to be run on 3S apparently, but it can handle it for speed runs. 52. Here we go. Alright, so. Such a gorgeous little van. I love this thing so much. Alright, let's see what speed reading we got out of that as I unlock my phone here and stop and come on, focus camera, there you go. Read 55 on the GPS. It's not too bad, it's pretty good. 55 kilometers an hour for this little guy, stock as a rock on 2-cell. Let's go 3S. Here we go, 3-cell. It's either going to be awesome or it's going to catch on fire. And it's pulling to the right for some reason now. Fix up that steering trim just a little bit. Okay, Noah, here we go. 3S pass with the beautiful shoebox on wheels. Here we go. Whoa, will it even hold? Will it even hold? Yeah, it's really not meant for it. I may actually give up because the wheels are very wobbly. Oh, we got 60. Thank you. And what I might do is actually turn the GPS on because I keep forgetting. So let's try that again. It's just all over the place. Those tires aren't made for high speed. Oh boy. Now it's swerving. Now it's swerving to the left a little bit. This definitely needs a gyro or some description. Here we go, Noah. Ooh. 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 You got 60 again? Yeah, nah. Alright, well, we're going to give it up here because we're not going to really achieve anything more than that. And if I squeeze too hard, it's going to sway into the curb or it's going to flip on its roof and slide for about half a mile, destroying that beautiful body that I don't want to wreck. So, we did one pass with the GPS, so let's see what the GPS does. I didn't get anywhere near full throttle, by the way. There's just too much horsepower. Let's see, stop, read, and we have 61. So, and that's not going full throttle. I love this truck. Can't wait to take it out on the track and actually do a nice little video for you all. Stick around. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time.